Hello again, I'm Kelly. So I saw this makeup challenge on YouTube. I thought it sounded pretty cool, so I thought I'd give it a try. So basically, for this makeup challenge, I'm going to be doing natural makeup without using a mirror or the viewfinder in my camera, which is going to be a little hard. I can already tell you that, so we'll see how this goes. So I already moisturized my face, or I washed my face and then moisturized it. So I'm already set for that. Oh no. I'm gonna be using my face primer to prime my face, you know, gotta get it spiffed up. Okay, and then I also have this eye roll-on gel stuff that helps with like the under eye bags. So let's do that. It's like 2:45 in the morning right now, and I have to be at work. Well, not at work, online at 7 a.m. So we'll see how this all pans out. I slept from like 8 p.m. to I want to say like 12 a.m.-ish, 12:15-ish, around that. Alright, so yeah, I just put the primer all over my face. Primer, you know, is basically used to help the foundation and concealer go on smoother, I guess. I used the e.l.f. hydrating face primer. It was only like probably $3 to $5. Not too bad. Alright, so I'm gonna let my under eye bags dry, or you know, the underneath part. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply my foundation using just a foundation brush. It's a Dream Velvet Maybelline, pretty much what I used in my last video. I haven't bought any new makeup. This is gonna be really weird. I'll just blindly apply this. And just do what I feel is right, I guess. Sorry, my chair is really loud. Hope I applied it all over. I don't really like to wear too much foundation. It's kind of, it, you know, makes your face break out. So I'm just gonna apply my concealer under my arm. I think I have a pimple right here, so I'm just gonna put it there too. And I just apply under my eye. And apply on my lids too. Blend it in. Let me know how it looks, y'all, because I don't know if I can't. I'm doing this blind. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the finishing powder. Ooh, there's a mirror. Don't look. I forgot. This is so hard not to use a mirror. It's so vain. I love looking at myself. Should I do contour? Why not? No mirror on this, so. I mean, when you apply bronzer slash contour, you basically follow the lines anyway, so. Yeah, apply my finishing powder again, just to make sure you got it all. Blend it out. Alright, I'm gonna apply some blush too. Oh god, I feel like it's gonna be really bright. my finishing powder. Blend it out. Okay, I feel like that's pretty good. Gonna apply some, what is this called? Eyeshadow. I'm gonna do the darkest shade because I hope it doesn't come out looking weird. Actually, I'm gonna mix the two. I'm using this one right here and this one. I want to look at a mirror so badly. This is hard. This is difficult. I want to look at a mirror. Okay, I'm just gonna blend it out. I feel like that's good, right? We'll see, I guess. Okay, I'm not gonna do eyeliner. I'm not gonna even try on the eyeliner. Alright, I'm gonna add some mascara. Oh god. Ah! Okay, there we go. Caught my eyelid. I feel like the hairs are out of my eye more. That's a good sign. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I feel it. I feel like it's on my eyelid. This is weird. I've never done this. Ah, I'm scared. Given I haven't done my makeup in a few weeks either, so this is probably not the best time to go in blindly, as I say. And I keep catching my eyelid. I feel like that's the best I can do right now at this point. Ah, I got it on my eyebrow. Oh. Maybe not. I think I'm good. Okay, cool. Oh, this is terrible. I already know. Okay. That'll do, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows now. No, actually, let's do my highlight first, because that's since I'm here. This is bad, I already know it. I wanna look at this mirror so badly, but I can't. I don't think I got enough. Nope. I don't want to put too much. Okay, cool. Alright, now let's do probably the hardest part, I'm guessing. The eyebrows. Let's get down to business. God. I feel like I'm doing okay. I'm just kind of scared to see. I'm not gonna even bother like outlining it with concealer because I already know it's gonna be bad. Yeah, maybe I'll outline it a little bit. I'm gonna put like a finishing powder on top, just to set it. I almost forgot I have lash gel. I'm done. Kind of scared to see these results. Okay. Let's see. See the fun. Oh, okay, it's not too bad. The blush is a little, oh god, okay, I have like a harsh line right here. Oh no. It's not too bad though, I kind of like it. I want to see it up close and personal. It's like my, what is it called? My highlight line is a little out there. My blush is a little out there too. Let me see my, okay, my eyeshadow isn't too bad either. Okay, I can dig it. My eyebrows actually turned out alright. Cool. Alright, well, that was me blindly putting on makeup, basically. I hope you all enjoyed. Because I did, it was fun. I might try to do some more makeup type videos because I enjoy doing them, you know. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.